Good day, I'm Sheila May Fortuito from 2AN. I'll be showing you how I do my Module 1, Fundamentals of Computing, specifically my LO1, Operate Computing Device and Applications for Productivity. The competencies required to be video recorded include uses telecommunication devices, uses email, uses multimedia presentations, uses word processing, demonstrate keyboard typing skills, uses spreadsheet applications such as MS Excel, presents data analysis and statistical capability. First, what is telecommunication? Telecommunications refers to the exchange of information by electronic and electrical means over a significant distance. Telecommunications devices include telephones, telegraph, radio, microwave communication arrangements, fiber optics, satellites, and internet. When it comes to telecommunications devices, I often use phone, sometimes laptop. Then, when it comes to telecommunications, I often use Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and Instagram. So let's begin. First, we have the Facebook. Facebook is a very popular free social networking website that allows users to create profiles, upload photos and video, also sending messages and keep in touch with friends, families, and colleagues. Next, I always use Messenger for instant messaging, sharing photos, videos, audio recordings, and for group chats. The app, which is free to download, can be used to communicate with your friends on Facebook and with your phone contacts. So next, we have here the Twitter. Twitter is a microblogging system that allows you to send and receive short posts called tweets. 12 tweets can be up to 140 characters long and can include links to relevant websites and resources. Twitter users follow other users. If you follow someone, you can see their tweets in your Twitter timeline. Next, we have here the Instagram. Instagram is made for sharing photos and videos from smartphone. So similar to Facebook or Twitter, everyone who creates an Instagram account has a profile and newsfeed. When you post photo or video on Instagram, it will be displayed on your profile. Other users who follow you will see your post in their own feed. Likewise, you will see posts from other users who you choose to follow. Next, we have here the uses of email. So we all know that email has a variety of purposes, so including connecting with friends and many more. The formality or target audience and desired effect of the message you will send will vary depending on your goals. So let's start composing our email. So for example, I have to send email for our accounting office for my final permit application. So to accounting office, subject, final permit application, and let's start composing email. After composing our email, we have to send it. Or we can see here at the bottom that we can be able to edit our composed email. Next, we have here the uses of multimedia presentations. A multimedia presentation is a self-contained presentation that includes information provided through slides, video, or digital presentations, as well as sounds, which could be narration, music, or other sound effects. So for me, I use Canva for all of my presentations, also in making learning feedback diaries. Canva is a visual design tool that enables you to make brochures and many more. I always use Canva on my phone, so let's start making presentations. So first we will pick what design we wanted to present. Then there are lots of design here in Canva. We can also create our own design for our presentation, but I prefer using the templates provided in Canva to lessen time consuming. After that, we have here the uses of word processing. So word processing software is used to manipulate text documents such as resume or a report. You typically enter text by typing, and the software provides tools for copying, deleting, and various types of formatting. Then some of the functions of word processing software include creating, editing, saving, and printing documents, also copying, pasting, moving, and deleting text within a document, also formatting text such as font type, bolding, underlining, and italic or italicizing. Then creating and editing tables, inserting elements from other software such as illustrations or photographs, also the correcting spelling and grammar. So next, let's proceed to uses of spreadsheet. So budgeting, creating graphs and charts, and storing categorizing data are the three most popular general purposes of spreadsheet software. So Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at all companies from small to large. So the main uses of Excel include data entry, data management, accounting, and many more. So let's have here my example of data Excel. So as we can see, I have here the hospital bill, patient billing statement. So for patient number 1 and 2, so I have the patient name also, and date of admission and date of discharge, number of days, ward charges, doctor visit and doctor charges, and its total. So that's all. Thanks for watching.